Good morning, students. Let's pledge. I, Suman, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Chapter 1, page number 11. Okay, let's revise. State true or false. First, a computer needs data to work. Yes, it's true because computer is a machine and it's need data to work. है ना? Next, RAM contains programs and instructions that a computer needs to operate. It is false because program and instruction that a computer needs to operate is in ROM, not RAM. है ना? So it is false. Okay? Next, third, RAM requires power to keep data accessible. Yes, it is RAM where all the data has to be accessed. है ना? RAM access all the data we need to work. So, RAM requires power to keep data accessible. It is true. Next, the data stored in secondary memory does not get erased when the computer is shut down. Data stored in secondary memory. Secondary memory is permanent memory. So, data in secondary memory does not get erased. It is true. Next, a bit is the memory needed to store a single letter or number. This is false because a byte is the memory needed to store single letter number, or here bit. So this is false. है ना? Next page. C. Tick the correct one. ठीक है ना? Page number 16. Which of the following memory contains program and instruction that a computer needs to operate? Which of the following memory contains program and instruction that a computer needs to operate? To operate, it is ROM. All the program instructions that need to operate in ROM. Okay? The answer is ROM. Second, before processing, the instruction given to the computer are converted into bits, bytes, binary digit or data. It is binary digits. Before processing, instruction converted into binary digit because computer understand only these digits. है ना? कंप्यूटर हमारी लैंग्वेज नहीं अंडरस्टैंड करता है बच्चे, कंप्यूटर को मशीन लैंग्वेज ही समझ आती है. सो ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शन वी गिवन टू कंप्यूटर converted into binary digit, then computer process it and give us result, and result again converted into high level language, that is our language. है ना? So instructions converted into binary digits before processing. Okay? Next, which one of the following statements is not true about ROM? So read carefully. है ना? First is, ROM contains programs and instructions that a computer need to operate. Yes, this is true. ROM requires power to keep data accessible. No, this is not true because RAM require powers to keep data accessible. Here written is ROM requires power. है ना? So this statement is false. So answer is B. This statement is false. Okay? Next, fourth number. Which of the following is used by the CPU only to read data? Only to read data. RAM, ROM, CD or DVD? CPU only to read data. It's ROM, read only memory. है ना? Yes. Come to the next. Which storage device uses a blue violet laser to read and write data. Yes, it's B, Blu-ray disc. है ना, Blu-ray disc is the storage device uses a blue violet laser to read and write data. Okay, now we will do fill-ups. Fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are the two types of primary memory. Yes, this is ROM and RAM are two types of primary memory. ROM and RAM both are primary memory. Next, dash is also called permanent and non-volatile memory. It is ROM. ROM is called permanent or non-volatile memory. Okay, come to the next. The memory of a computer is represented in bytes, क्योंकि bytes store a single letter or number. So the memory of computer is represented in bytes. Okay. Next, the storage capacity of a hard disk ranges from dash to dash. The storage capacity of hard disk ranges from 250 GB to 3 TB. 250 GB to 3 TB hard disk. Okay. Next, fifth one is dash is leading manufacturer of pen drives. Kingston Technology Corporation. It is Kingston, 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 TECHNOLOGY, Technology Corporation, CORPORATION, Corporation. Kingston Technology Corporation is a leading manufacturer of pen drives. क्योंकि जो now these days the Kingston Technology Corporation is leading manufacturer of pen drives. Okay. Next, C. State true or false. Secondary memory device store data temporarily. False, because secondary memory are the permanent memory. Or here written is secondary memory device store data temporarily, so it is false. Okay. Next, a computer can understand only two digits 0 and 1. Yes, this is true. Computer is a machine and it understands only machine language, that is 0 and 1, that is binary digits. Okay, so this is true. A hard disk is the most important secondary storage device of a computer. Yes, this is true. कंप्यूटर में जब कोई भी डाटा हम सेव करते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं, तो दैट इज स्टोर्ड इन हार्ड डिस्क. ऑल द डाटा स्टोर्ड इन कंप्यूटर is stored in hard disk. So hard disk is the most important secondary storage device of a computer. This is true. A compact disk can store up to 25 GB of data. This is false, because the compact disk CD's capacity is only 700 MB. है ना? And here compact disk can store up to 25 GB of data. No. This is false. Okay. Next one. We cannot rewrite data onto a USB flash drive. USB flash drive में डाटा रीराइट नहीं हो सकता है. रीराइट मीन्स बच्चे कि क्या आप USB में जो भी डाटा है हम उसको डिलीट करके न्यू डाटा उसमें डाल सकते हैं, स्टोर कर सकते हैं. यस, फ्लैश ड्राइव मतलब पेन ड्राइव. USB फ्लैश ड्राइव को पेन ड्राइव भी बोलते हैं और पेन ड्राइव को हम कितनी ही बार, है ना, अगेन एंड अगेन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उसमें से डाटा डिलीट कर सकते हैं, न्यू डाटा उसमें स्टोर कर सकते हैं, है ना. सो इट इज़ रीराइटेबल. और यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? वी कैन नॉट रीराइट डाटा ऑन USB फ्लैश ड्राइव. सो इट इज़ फॉल्स, बिकॉज वी कैन रीराइट डाटा ऑन टू अ USB फ्लैश ड्राइव और पेन ड्राइव. दिस इज फॉल्स. ओके. So now this is your homework for today. Learn this exercise of chapter 1. Okay. And I think this is enough for today. We will revise question answer next day. Okay, have a good day.